Oh, did it really?
So that means that there is a blockage between this floor, so the carpet, and that's what's leaking down. So it flowed, and all that water saturated the carpet in that room. And this is just all the water coming down from that saturated carpet and leaking onto this tile. Let's get it the other way.
They have chocolate stuff now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
That's definitely a flange replacement. Same shit again.
Now we're flushing the toilet while he has the camera in to see if it'll actually flush. We're good. We're going to Home Depot to get the flange for the toilet.